We're gonna go on 3, 2, 1, drop.
Yep.
3, 2, 1, drop.
That's a helicopter. This is an inflatable kayak. And today, we're doing inflatable heli kayaking.
Up traffic to the east, Rebel SoK Star, Foxtrot Bravo Whiskey, be lifting the Ghost Peak area.
Okay, boys, we need to find a zone, scope a zone and get dropped off, so like be on it.
We want something steep, cliffy, but easy run out and obviously no avalanche hazard.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, you could do something off of this.
Yeah, we could almost hit like these lines into the lake bed.
Holy crap.
Wow.
Here we are. Just arrived at the first spot.